What's up, my people? Today I'm trading US30. Let's see how profitable I can be into this trade, trading US30. Right, so I see in a position right now that this market is selling. So what I'll do is to place a buy. Let me see if I can place a buy and make profit. But first, let me check the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, this market is a buy. The 1 hour time frame, because the market has sold for a particular period of time. So what I'll do is to go to the 1 minute time frame and I'll place a buy. I'll place two buy, right? Just place a buy on the 1 minute time frame. So let's see if I can be in a profit, right? Okay, let's see what we can do. Yeah, I think I'm in a profit right now on 0.80. Let's close this trade. Let's take this profit, guys. We've just made a profit of 0.80 cents. And let's see, the market is still buying. First of all, let me draw my trend line right here. Let me draw my trend line and see if I can, taking it from the top. And yeah, there's a breakout. So this market is going to what? There's a breakout structure here. This point right here. Let's zoom a little bit and see where price is. Okay, so this market is a sell, so I'm going to place two sells. So just like scalping the market to make profit, a little bit of profit from this market, right? So right here is my order block, right? That's my order block. This point right here. So when the market breaks through, I'm going to close that trade. Once the market breaks through my order block right here, I'm going to close the trade and take the profits real quick, right? So let's see if the market is a sell, guys, because I checked the 1 hour time frame. I checked the 1 hour time frame and the market has bought for a particular period of time, so the market is going to sell, right? It's going to sell. So let's zoom. So guys, we made another profit. So we just made another profit right here, which is the first trade was 0.80, and now we made another $1.80 from the market, which is made $2.6 from this market trading US30. So I'm going to show you guys a strategy which you can use to trade these markets perfectly without any losses, right? So it's just like the basics: overbought and oversold region, right? Like you see, there's a setup you can use to get a perfect entry for just buy and sell only. But if you need just to trade with technical analysis, you can trade with just technical analysis. But like I said right here, there are indicators which you can use to trade this market successfully and without any losses, right? So this indicator is the MACD, which I often use to trade, right? The MACD indicator is a very powerful indicator for spotting buy and sell opportunities which you can use to trade. For example, on the MACD, if the level of the MACD touches the down part of the RSI, the market will buy on US30, right? But this indicator doesn't work alone, so you can use it together with the RSI to spot your entries for either a buy or a sell entry, right? And if I zoom out right now, we can see this is the overbought region right here, and this is the oversold right here, right? But if I zoom in again, the overbought region is still at the highest, which are the top, and the oversold is here at the down. But there's what we called a lower low, lower high. Understand? Then you see, and those region, the market can also buy and sell and give a very good perfect entry, right? But you can't spot it with just your natural eyes. You can't spot it with just your natural eyes or using just technical analysis alone. So you can do this with indicators that can help you to trade perfectly. As you can see here, I have indicator on my trade, MACD and the RSI indicator. So the RSI indicator right now, that's what I'm using, and the MACD together to trade, right? So like I said, using the MACD, if you set the MACD and the RSI, you put the RSI for level 90 at the top, and whenever the MACD touches the RSI at that top, the market will give you a sign for a sell, right? It will sell. Take a look. Whenever it touches this MACD at the top, the market will sell. Even though if it buy, it will eventually sell. That's the pattern of the MACD. It always work all the time. Now you see that right here, the market is at the overbought, but that's not actually the real overbought region. If I zoom out, you see here that the overbought is still at this zone, and price is right here. This is where price is right now. If I zoom in, you can see using your screen, right? You can see what I'm talking about. Now let me remove this indicator, the Bollinger Band, so that you can see the market perfectly. So if you want to trade and you want to make profit daily on the market on US30, what you got to do is just follow the same pattern over and over again to make your winnings, right? To make your winnings. So you see, I sold at this point and I exited at this point, right? So we made a profit of 2.6 USD. So I'm going to continue to trade, but I'm just sharing with you guys this is some strategy that you can use to trade on US30 and make some, big amount of profit right there on the market, right? So what we're seeing is that this trend line is now going downwards. It's going downwards, right? As you can see, and whenever the trend is showing a downward trend, the market will retest, right? You're going to retest, just as you can see right here. At this point, the market is retesting, and the pattern this market is going to follow is this pattern before it will go up and it will eventually come down again. So patience is the key. All you need to do is wait until the MACD has got into the overbought of the RSI. When it touches the level of 90, you place a sell. You place a sell at this point right here. You place a sell, it will sell. Take a look at it. It will sell until the price or the MACD has gotten to this point, which is the downside, before it will go up again. So now the market is about to buy. As you can see, it's going to buy right now. Okay, the market is going to buy. So before you try the strategy, always go back to the historical trend so that you can understand how perfect this strategy works, right? So that you can understand how perfect this strategy works. Now remember, the MACD need to touch the RSI of 90. So this is the position where it touched the RSI of the level 90. Then it sold. It bought, it sold, it bought, it sold. So if you see a scenario like this, or if you are in a position like this, always know that the market will sell, even though it keeps going buy, sell. It keeps going red and blue, red and green. It's going to what? It's going to sell. Just as you see at this point, it's going to sell. So sometimes the market is going to follow this same pattern again, just to scare you guys off the market, thinking that the price won't go the way you want it to go. But as long as the MACD has created that pattern, always know that the market will sell when it gets to the level of 90, right? So I believe you understand what I just said in this video, and you understand this perfect strategy that I just shared with you guys. So I'm going to be trading US30 mostly on this channel to show you guys more awesome strategy on how you can trade on the US30 market, right? So if you enjoyed this video and you really like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome trading strategies. I will see you guys on the next video.